Identifying volume spurts. The stock market is a symphony of activity, with prices constantly fluctuating based on supply and demand. But sometimes, the music gets louder. A sudden surge in trading volume, known as a volume spurt, can signal a potential shift in a stock's direction. This blog post equips you with the tools to identify volume spurts and understand their significance in your trading journey. Step 1. Choosing your instrument. Imagine yourself walking into an orchestra hall. To understand the music, you need the right seat. Similarly, you'll need a trading platform to access the data. Most online brokers and financial websites display volume data for stocks. Choose a platform that suits your needs and comfort level. Step 2. Establishing the baseline average volume. Before spotting a surge, you need to know the norm. Look at the historical volume data for your chosen stock. Many platforms allow you to view volume data for various time frames: daily, weekly, monthly. Calculate an average daily volume based on a relevant period, e.g., past 20 days, past month. This average becomes your baseline for comparison. Step 3. Keeping your eye on the price. Real-time volume monitoring. Now comes the exciting part. Once you have your average daily volume, keep an eye on the real-time volume throughout the trading day. Look for sudden spikes in volume that significantly exceed the average you established. Imagine the orchestra suddenly playing a loud crescendo. That's the kind of volume surge you are looking for. Step 4. Beyond the numbers. Considering percentage increase. While a large absolute increase is impressive, it's also important to consider the percentage change. A low volume stock might experience a 100% increase, which could translate to a relatively small number of shares traded. Conversely, a high volume stock might experience a 20% increase, but the actual number of shares traded could be much higher. Think of it like comparing the roar of a single lion to a whole pride. The percentage increase helps you understand the relative significance of the volume change. Step 5. Connecting the dots. Seeking confirmation. A volume spurt alone doesn't tell the whole story. Look for news articles, analyst reports, or upcoming company announcements that might explain the surge in activity. These could be the reasons behind the orchestra's sudden shift in volume. Financial news websites are your friends here. Use them to gather context. Bonus tips for the discerning trader. Visualize the surge. Many platforms offer volume charts alongside price charts. These charts can visually represent volume changes and help you identify sudden spikes. Set volume alerts. Some platforms allow you to set alerts that notify you when a stock's volume exceeds a certain threshold. Context is king. A volume spurt in a volatile stock might be less significant compared to a typically stable stock experiencing a similar increase. Keep the stock's usual behavior in mind.